Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called Afrog. So what is this Afrog? It's a security tool for a bug bounty and pen testing and red team. So, what is this highly will do? So what is this Afrog? Afrog is an high performance vulnerability scanner that is a fast and stable. It supports a user defined proof of concept and comes with a several built-in types such as CVE, CNVD, and default password information and disclosure fingerprint identification, unauthorized access and arbitrary file reading, and command execution with a proc. A network security professionals can quickly validate and remediate vulnerabilities, which help to enhance their security defense capabilities. Like, what are the main features we can get here? So the main features we can get here, like an open source a platform, fast and stable with a low false positive, a detailed HTML vulnerability report, and customize and stably update proof of concepts. Active community and exchange groups also is available. So first we would like to copy this source code. Now let's just open the terminal. So let it just make it a little bit big. So just type it as a git clone and let it paste in this repository Afrog. So let's wait for this clone. So it may take a little bit time to clone this repository. So where we have successfully cloned this repository, you just type cd Afrog. Now just type here as uh, ls minus a. Okay, so just type here clear. Now just type plus. So we have here a prop. So now I just need to utilize as a go build, and I would like to utilize coming with an CMD. Then you just utilize here as a prop. Then main dot go. That's it. So it take for a little bit time to building. Then we would like to go further. So let's wait for this. So it may take a little bit time, so let's wait for this. So we can explore here. Similar like, so we can also get like an a web user interfaces also. We can look that one further. Uh, First we would like to look this one. So let's wait for this. So it's may taking a little bit time for this. So where it was done now. So you just type here as clear. Now you just type list. So now once it was installed, now we just try here directly as uh, Afrog. So otherwise we would like to utilize here as uh, go cmd Afrog main dot go. Oh, sorry. So I would like to utilize here as go and run. We would like to utilize. So here now Afrog will start. Let's see. So it was successfully downloading the POCs. Target are a cyber square. So now we just type here as a minus minus help. So where I have got it here, I successfully installed here a frog. So we would like to specify with a target with a string a targeted URL host name to scan. And if we have a list of files, so you just need to put in a list of files. Then you go for a scanning with this. Then we would like to utilize here as another way. Now our next targeted is we would like to utilize this one uh, to go here is so let me I just type here as clear. So first I would like to use any type of targeted URL. So just type here as test php dot a one web dot com. So I would like to utilize a testing targeted website right now. Then later we would like to go as a bigger one, a big targeted domains. So first we just try here. So I have got my targeted IP address. So I just copy this one, come back here. So we would like to utilize here as uh, -t and let it paste it. That's it. So let's wait here. Uh, Now to get any type of vulnerabilities and CVIDs, everything. Now you can look here, a prop. It was started. Now we would like to look here. What else we can get it from here? So where you can see here a PHP study of Nginx wrong resolve with where it was available. So now you can visit this targeted link. Also, you can get a vulnerability. You can look here. It was not found. Okay, that but we was found this Nginx 1.1, 1.19. So where we have got this now. So now let's come back here. That's it. So we would like to utilize as some other thing as so we just use as now we would like to utilize this as Airbnb. Now let's we would like to look here using OOB server for CSS is not valid. So we just need configured. You just need to enter like a CSS. Otherwise, there is like a SIO and some other a default targeted website. So you just need to bring their targeted IP address like a SIA, like API keys and DNS, logcn API keys and X-ray uh, uh, API URL, then DNS domain like HTTP URL and API URL, you need to bring and configure here to utilize with an Afrog. That's it. So it may not gonna be found because of these firewall restrictions. That's why. So we just need to utilize and get the right one. So if you get the API keys, all those things, so you can find a lot of vulnerabilities here. But we not yet found any useful information here. Once you look here. So you can see here you not yet get found anything else. So we would like to try here as we would like to try this as another one. We would like to try here. So there is no any type of keys we are utilizing here right now. That's why it was not present the any type of a result. So if you utilize any type of API keys, then we can get here. So otherwise we would like to try here as any testing websites like I just try here as PHP ID. So I just try here. Uh, so I'd like to try this a some other targeted website. Let me look this. So we would like to utilize this a targeted website. Now let's see here. Come back. So where are we not yet get it here? Then let me just try to paste it here. Then let's see. Either we are going to get it or not. So let me would like to look from this where we going to get here any type of right results or not. So but we not yet get any type of right results here. Uh, because we're not at using any type of paid API keys. This is the one draw. Another one is it was, but here it was found here, ARDV. So where you can see you can find. So this will take a long and lengthy time process to process all those things here. That's it. Now we would like to try here as another one is. So if you want to utilize as a web, so you just type here as We would like to utilize here. Let's come back here. Main.go. So just copy, come back here. Let's paste it. Now let me just show you here. Now I just put here as a web. So it will launch a directly of the web. So the port is running here like your targeted IP address. Now let's come back here. So let me, I would like to show you here is 192.168.18.867. Then just need to copy the port. What is the port? 166.16868. So just copy this one, come back, let it paste. That's it. So you can look here Afrog. So you can do here as a servility for critical, high, medium, low, info. So you just need to search by POC or ID or a name. You can find anything else. So I would like to find now something like uh, recently, which was that so let me, I just type uh, blue blue screen error in Microsoft. So let me, I would like to search here. No, it was not the. So just type here as a SMB, PHP study with so where this was is high. So we would like to search with as www.oneweb.com. Then try here, go for a searching. Now, where you can look this uh, all the information which you was scanned before uh, this one. That's at test.php. The author is Jan 18. So that's great. So where you are looking all the information here. So where you can get it. Then here you can look here a where which was get all the information by here. So you can observe all the things here, everything. That's it. Now we can look here as where's this? So all the data is presenting here. Now you can look here a secret image with a base 64 where you can decode this one. We have done all in CTFs. So it's very easy, common way to understand here. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.